Hi guys, welcome back. You discovered Bri Budgets. Alrighty guys, so for today's video we're going to be doing a cash stuffing and I'm going to be stuffing my paycheck number 3. So yay. Real quick though, let's get into the nails. Aren't they so cute? Like, I'm so excited with how they came out and everything. Like, they look really great to me. But yeah, so we will go ahead and get this thing started. So let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so this week's paycheck was $700. So pretty much I worked a little bit of overtime, so that's how it came out to that amount. But yeah, I guess let's go ahead and start counting the money. So this is my caramel binder and she holds all of my money for when I go to the bank pretty much. Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and count this out. So that's 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570, 590, 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 675, 680, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $700. So let's go ahead and put it on a tray and make it cute. So if I'm talking a little low, I'm pretty sure you can still hear me because my phone picks up like everything, but I'm talking low because it's like literally 11 something at night. And child, I'm just now getting the chance to film my videos, but I mean, it is what it is. They have to get done. So yeah, here we are. So great, now that that part is over, we'll go ahead and start with my envelopes. Alrighty, so this is my white envelope and she holds all of my bills and expenses pretty much. Alrighty, so rent is gonna be getting $183 today. So its usual amount. Okay, so that is 150, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, so I should have a total of 549 in here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 50, 4, 50, 470, 490, 510, 520, 530, 540, 541, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Perfect. 549 for rent. Car note's gonna be getting $63 today. So we got 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. So that's 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So I should have a total of 189. 50, 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Oh, this money does not want to go in here. Okay, so phone bill is going to be getting its usual $35. So that's 20, 35. Okay, so we should have 105. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 105. Discover is one of my credit cards and it is going to be getting $20 today. So 20 and it brings me to $60. So that's 20, 40, 60. Alrighty, Citibank is another one of my credit cards. This one is ×2 because when I made the envelope, I only had one credit card at the time. And I acquired another credit card later on. I did not feel like going back and making another envelope, honestly. So I just do Citibank ×2 in this envelope. So yeah, We're gonna be adding 150 today. So that's 150. Alrighty, so we've got 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450. Wonderful. It's a lot of money, man. A lot of money. This credit card tech gotta get paid somehow, right? Apple Card is gonna be getting $15. That's more like it. Okay. So we got 10, 15. And that brings us to 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. Alrighty, subscriptions is getting $5 today. 5. And that is 5, 10, 15. Alrighty, Debt Snowball is getting $107. This one's getting a little hefty now. Woohoo. So we got 1, 5, 6, 7. So that's 105, 106, 107. Okay, cool. So that brings me to 561. So that's 1, 2, 3, 350, 4, 455, 520, 530, 540, 545, 550, 555, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. This one's going to be going towards my Citibank, one of my Citibank credit cards. I'm doing the Debt Snowball as of now, and one of the Citibank cards is my lowest balance. So I'm going to pay that off first, and then I'm going to go to the next one, and so on and so forth. But that sums up the white binder with my bills. Alrighty guys, this is my black baby, and she holds all of my sinking funds. So yay. Bri spending today is going to be getting $20. 20. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80. Bri savings is going to be getting $20 as well, so another 20. All right, so that's 51, 50, 170, 190, 210, 220, 225, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Alrighty, so luxury is going to be getting nothing today. Yeah. So yeah, skipping luxury. Camera is going to be getting $20. There we go. Alrighty, so that's 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 250, 255. Okay, car maintenance today is getting skipped as well, so we're just gonna fly by that one. Gifts is gonna be getting $10. Boom. So that is 50, 110. Medical is gonna be getting 10 as well. Alrighty, so that brings me to 165. So that's 50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 165. Okay, and my travel is going to be getting $20 today. Another 20. Woohoo. Alrighty, so that's 50, 70, 95. Alrighty, emergency is getting the remaining, which is $22. So that's 21, 2. Okay, so this brings me to a whopping 536, you guys. That is so exciting. That's 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 510, 520, 525, 530, 531, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Perfect. Alrighty guys, well that sums up the video for paycheck number 3. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my TikTok, Bri Budgets, as well as my Instagram, the Bri Budgets. But thank you guys for your support. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.